Ready to go?
Yes. Gotta get Darakai and then we'll head off.
Darakai. Darakai. Wanna hop up, mate? We're gonna go to Sydney. Darakai? Hey. Buffin.
Okay, we're gonna go, mate. There's food in the fridge. You gonna be right?
I'm just letting you in.
Oh well, someone will come find you. Change of plans. Now Glenn and the kids are here too, and I'm off to work. See ya.
Day one. Darakai, what happened to your leg, mate?
Hurt myself.
Did you fall over?
Down there.
You gonna be alright?
There's a little band-aid on my bone.
You want a band-aid on your bone?
A long one.
So our trip to Nora got cut short because Darakai and Kalara decided they want to fall over every 5 minutes and hurt themselves, didn't you? And what do you need now?
A long band-aid.
You need more band-aids. Show me your arm, sissy. Baby doing?
Mom, some boots.
Show me.
Get me.
The F is light now. Show me, mate. What is it?
A cap.
Let's go. Let's go. Jump. Oh, not on me.
This is so fun. And I'm running. And it's so fun. This is so fun. Another fiver!
On our last day down the coast, heading back home tomorrow, and I'm going to walk up this hill here. Then I'm going for a swim. Well, I made it to the top check out this view. How good's this?
And we're at the beach. We're not swimming at the beach. I'm the winner.
We could walk around there, but it'll take about
Playground.
We're swimming, chasing down. We're swimming, chasing down.